It's completely engineered to make you want more, and it's just empty calories. It's horrible.
And these are the granola bars now. Empty calories, not good for you, sugar spikes, all bad.
Six.
Sugary coffee drinks. So some of our favorite coffee spots, if you guys know who I mean, and you get you a frappuccino that's loaded, not good.
All those syrups, they pump 4 syrups in there, which is gonna be like maybe 4 tablespoons. I don't know how much it is, but it's a lot of sugar.
You know, when we go to a coffee shop now, we have to tell them barely a pump, just a
quarter pump if you put anything in there, or nothing at all.
It's terrible.
And I think all the things you named, all what's common is they give you this spike, this energy, rush, and then all of a sudden it comes crashing down later because it's not proper nutrition. It's bad,
Right.
bad fuel in a sense. Number 5.
White bread and refined flour foods.
That's all that white bread you buy at the store, or
Burger bread. I even lump crackers in there too sometimes.
because I'm not talking about sourdough bread made from home. It's
Minimal
different.
ingredients. We're talking about to pick up the pack of bread and you flip it over and you look at the long laundry list of ingredients on there. Not good.
I think another thing we have to mention too is when you eat all this stuff, because of the lack of proper fuel and the spike and then going up and down, hormones are out of whack, and then that's when it really affects the brain fog starts to happen. So it's definitely not good. Number 4, I would say protein bars.
Yes.
Protein bars are.
Everybody always think those are healthy too.
And you read the ingredients. There's more sugar
Yes.
by different names.
Yes.
There's oils in them.
Yes.
And because it's protein, that's a buzzword of the decade right now, protein. Everybody swears protein's an energy source, and truly it's not an energy source. It's only meant to be an energy source in backup situations if your body's really starving itself and needs to kick in. The primary energy source, we're talking about sugars, is sugar, carbohydrates, but not the kind of sugars that are
clean sources of carbohydrate.
Yeah, proteins, they give you a false sense of health for sure. Number 3.
Flavored yogurts. Everybody likes, you go to the grocery store, you pass that aisle, a lot of people are in there grabbing
yogurts.
They're flavored yogurts because it's get my yogurt in because of the gut health. And it's not, I bet you a lot of people never really flip around and see if there's any active life cultures in some of these yogurts.
Yeah, probably not.
I remember when we were traveling and I went to a store looking for dairy-free yogurt, and quite a few of the brands did not. It was just almond milk or coconut milk and a bunch of sweeteners.
Again, yogurt has that connotation, it's healthy. This is a topic for another day, but because it's dairy, a lot of inflammation involved in it. And so, and I learned that firsthand. I didn't know it, but looking back now, I understand what was going on with my body by eating all that cheese and dairy products. That's another story. Number 2.
Sugary sauces and condiments. Hello ketchup.
Huge. Oh
hello barbecue sauce. Hello salad dressings in a bottle.
Spices.
Oh yes, spices. There's oils and spices too.
Crazy.
Yeah.
And the thing is that maybe a little bit, I can have a little ketchup here, a little spice here. It all adds up. Oh, and once you start tasting the sugar and ketchup, it's like you never want to go back.
It is gross. It is too sweet.
Oh.
And I was younger, I used to love ketchup, and I would put ketchup on fries all the time. Yeah. But I was addicted to the sugar.
Well, it's kind of cool. In our coaching program, we are able to, if there's like food that say you love or you like, but you can't eat it, we're able to have a conversation and coach you through it where you no longer even truly desire, or almost like a dislike now, where you see it, you're like, I don't really want to eat it. It's pretty amazing, right?
Yes,
it's really cool stuff.
Definitely.
I think the number 1 killer for sure, because these things are insidious.